Have you ever seen a plant that looks like a pebble, a rose, or even an animal? Rare and unique succulents surprise and delight with their unusual shapes, vivid colors, and fascinating textures. These remarkable plants are easy to care for and make stunning additions to any home or garden collection. Let's quickly explore these succulents. String of turtles, or Peperomia prostrata, is a charming trailing plant with tiny, patterned leaves resembling turtle shells, ideal for hanging planters indoors. Donkey's tail, Sedum morganianum. Donkey's tail features long, trailing stems with plump, blue-green leaves. It's a striking, low-maintenance succulent perfect for hanging baskets. Brain cactus, or Mammillaria elongata cristata. It forms twisted, contorted stems resembling brain folds. This unique, eye-catching succulent thrives in bright light and well-draining soil. Jelly bean plant, Sedum rubrotinctum. This plant has plump, colorful leaves resembling jelly beans. Its vibrant foliage turns red in sunlight, adding playful charm. Tiger Joss, Fockeria tigrina. It has thick, toothed leaves resembling open jaws with soft teeth. This compact succulent thrives in bright light and dry soil. Little Jewel, Pachyvaria glauca, is a compact succulent with blue-green, pointed leaves forming tight rosettes. It's drought-tolerant and perfect for small containers. Red pagoda, or Crassula capitella red pagoda. It features stacked, triangular leaves that turn vibrant red under sunlight. This striking succulent adds bold color and architectural interest. Concrete leaf, Titanopsis calcarea, is a small, rosette-forming succulent with textured, stone-like leaves that blend into rocky surroundings, perfect for camouflage and collectors. Ruby necklace, Ortona capensis, is a trailing succulent with vibrant purple stems and bean-shaped leaves. It thrives in bright light and cascades beautifully. Mermaid tail, Crested Senecio vitalis, is a rare, crested succulent with wavy, tail-like growth. Its whimsical shape adds unique charm to any collection. String of watermelons, Curio herinus. It features trailing stems with oval, striped leaves resembling tiny watermelons. It's ideal for hanging baskets and bright spaces. Myrtillocactus, blue candle, Myrtillocactus geometrizans, is a columnar cactus with striking blue-green stems. It grows tall, branches upward, and thrives in full sun. Living stones, Lithops. These are small, stone-like succulents that mimic pebbles for camouflage. They thrive in bright light and require minimal watering. Baseball plant, Euphorbia obesa, is a spherical, stem-only succulent with ribbed patterns. It resembles a green ball and thrives in dry, sunny conditions. Baby toes, Fenestraria rhopalophila, is a compact succulent with cylindrical, translucent-tipped leaves resembling tiny toes. It loves bright light and sandy, well-drained soil. Star window plant, Haworthia cuspidata, is a small rosette succulent with fleshy, translucent-tipped leaves. It thrives in bright, indirect light and well-draining soil. Baby necklace Crassula, Crassula rupestris. It has stacked, rounded leaves along upright stems, resembling a beaded necklace. It displays pink edges in bright light. Wine cup Crassula, Crassula umbella, is a rare succulent with unique, cup-shaped leaves that resemble tiny goblets. It prefers bright light and minimal water. Marble buttons, Conophytum calculus, is a tiny, rounded succulent with smooth, gray-green bodies resembling pebbles. It thrives in dry conditions and bright light. Contorted Cape Spinach, Trachyandra tortilis, is a rare succulent with ribbon-like, twisted leaves that spiral uniquely. It thrives in bright light and sandy soil. Bunny ear, Monnilaria obcornica, is an adorable succulent with paired, upright leaves resembling rabbit ears. It thrives in full sun and well-drained soil. Lips plant, Conophytum pagei, is a tiny, rounded succulent with fused leaves forming a slit that resembles lips. It prefers bright light and dry soil. Watch chain, Crassula muscosa, is a compact, trailing succulent with tightly stacked, scale-like leaves along thin stems, resembling a chain. It thrives in bright light. Plover eggs, Adromyscus cooperi, is a small succulent with thick, oval leaves speckled like bird eggs. It prefers bright light and well-drained soil. Cobweb houseleek, Sempervivum arachnoideum, is a hardy russet succulent with fine white hairs resembling a spiderweb. It thrives in full sun and rocky soil. Button cactus, Epithelantha micromeris, is a tiny, round cactus covered in white spines, giving it a soft, fuzzy look. It thrives in dry, sunny spots. Pies from heaven, Kalanchoe rhombopilosa, is a rare kalanchoe with silvery, scalloped leaves marked by brown patterns. It thrives in bright light and dry soil. Sweetheart Hoya, Hoya keri, is a charming succulent vine with thick, heart-shaped leaves. It prefers bright, indirect light and infrequent watering. Godzilla, Ariocarpus fissuratus, is a rare, slow-growing cactus with rough, triangular tubercles resembling reptile skin. It thrives in bright sun and well-drained soil. Titanopsis luckhoffii, formerly known as Aloanopsis luckhoffii, is a small succulent with rough, warty, gray-green leaves that mimic rocky textures, ideal for bright light and well-drained soil. Blood-red variegated Linophyllum, Linophyllum guttatum, is a striking succulent with fleshy, spotted leaves tinged in deep red. It thrives in bright light and well-drained soil. Echeveria gibiflora barbellion is a dramatic succulent with large, frilly, pink-edged leaves forming a bold rosette. It prefers full sun and well-draining soil. Spiral aloe, Aloe polyphylla, is a stunning succulent known for its perfectly symmetrical spiral leaf arrangement. It thrives in cool, well-drained conditions and bright light. Echeveria ice age is a striking succulent with rosettes of pale, icy blue to lavender leaves edged in soft pink. It prefers bright light and well-draining soil. Sand dollar cactus, Astrophytum asterias, is a small, round cactus with a flat top and star-shaped patterns of tiny white dots, resembling a sand dollar. It thrives in bright sunlight and well-drained soil. Cliff cotyledon, Cotyledon orbiculata, is a succulent with thick, rounded leaves often edged in red, forming dense rosettes. It thrives in bright light and well-drained soil. Panda plant, Kalanchoe tomentosa, is a fuzzy succulent with thick, silvery green leaves edged in dark brown, resembling a panda's fur. It prefers bright light and moderate watering. Moonstones, Pachyphytum oviferum, is a succulent with plump, smooth, pastel-colored leaves resembling polished gemstones. It thrives in bright light and well-drained soil. Resurrection plant, Sailginella lepidophylla, is a unique plant that curls into a dry ball during drought and resurrects with moisture, showing vibrant green fronds. It thrives in bright, indirect light and humid conditions. Dolphin plant, Senecio peregrinus, is a trailing succulent with plump leaves shaped like jumping dolphins. It thrives in bright, indirect light and well-drained soil. Split rock, Pleospilose nelly, is a compact succulent with thick, paired leaves that resemble a rock split down the middle. It thrives in bright light and dry, well-drained soil. Bear paw, Cotyledon tomentosa, is a fuzzy succulent with thick, green leaves tipped with reddish claws, resembling tiny bear paws. It thrives in bright light and well-drained soil. Silver dollar plant, Xerosisios dangui, is a climbing succulent with round, silvery green leaves resembling coins. It thrives in bright light and well-drained soil, ideal for hanging or trellised displays. Crinkle leaf plant, Adromyscus cristatus, is a compact succulent with thick, fuzzy leaves and distinctive crinkled edges. It thrives in bright light and well-draining soil. Hedgehog aloe, Aloe humilis, is a compact, spiky succulent with blue-green leaves covered in white bumps. It thrives in bright sunlight and well-drained soil. Topsy-turvy, Echeveria runioni, is a rosette-forming succulent with silvery blue, upturned leaves. It thrives in bright light and well-draining soil. Black rose, Aeonium arboreum Zwartkop, is a striking succulent with dark burgundy to nearly black rosettes atop tall stems. It thrives in full sun and well-drained soil. Mistletoe cactus, Rhipsalis baxifera, is a tropical, epiphytic succulent with long, trailing, pencil-like stems. It thrives in bright, indirect light and humid conditions. Starfish plant, Staplia gigantea, is a succulent with thick, green, cactus-like stems and large, star-shaped flowers. It thrives in bright light and well-drained soil. String of nickels, Dischidia nummularia, is a trailing succulent with small, round, corn-like leaves. It thrives in bright, indirect light and humid conditions. Campfire plant, Crassula capitella, is a vibrant succulent with pointed leaves that turn fiery red in bright sunlight. It thrives in well-drained soil and full sun. Propeller plant, Crassula perfoliata, features thick, gray-green, curved leaves resembling airplane propellers. It thrives in bright light and well-drained soil.